Here is a 2007 1.5 ton Rheem condenser. It's for the apartment I'm staying in right now. There is a bunch of other units, but this one in particular is the only one in this apartment complex that has a reciprocating compressor, and it happens to be the apartment that I'm staying in. I don't know if y'all can see that down there, but it's got, I don't know, I can't read the label. I might have to shine a flashlight down there. Okay, got the flashlight on. Let's see if we can see what that says. Yeah, it's all faded. I don't know what that says though, to be honest, but definitely got a reciprocating. Now, for the main business, let's hear it start up. That had a nice startup though. That is purely how a reciprocating should start up. Now listen to this monkey. A nice sounding reciprocating. Hot, nice hot air. Section line's starting to get cold. This is starting to get warm. Listen to it stabilize. Stabilizing the pressures right now. Data plate. Yes, the condenser fan motor has gotten replaced since it was installed. I wish I had a gauge so I could check the pressures, but I know the pressures are fine because this is R22 and that's beer can cold like it should be. 22. It takes a little time for the pressures to stabilize since it is a 22 unit. They don't just stabilize immediately like with 410 and 32. Alright, so pressures are stabilized. I hope you guys enjoyed the startup.